What's the meaning of close harmony? Close harmony. Close harmony.
Close harmony. Close harmony. Close harmony refers to a style of vocal harmony singing, typically used in popular music and jazz. This technique involves singing different notes within a very small range, with the voices placed close together in intricate, interlocking arrangements. The result is a rich, complex sound that creates a sense of intimacy and unity. Close harmony can be achieved through careful attention to timing, pitch, and phrasing, as well as through skilled use of vocal techniques such as vibrato, breath control, and dynamics. The effect is often highly emotive and can create a strong emotional impact on the listener.